So welcome to Reveal Resource and Virtual Environment for English Learning. While there is a virtual environment on YouTube, on WhatsApp, but despite that, I also provide the offline coaching of these students. So these are some students I always learn with them, and I practice English with them. So today I will make them introduce with you, and you will learn that who are they and what they are doing. So I will start from the Khushi. Name is Deepika. First of all, she will introduce herself, that who is she, what she is doing, which degree she is pursuing, and what is her favorite, and how much she is interested to learn English. So let's get started. Tell me about yourself. What is your name?
My name is Khushi Tiwari.
Okay. What are you doing right now?
Now I am studying.
What are you studying?
I am studying in class 11th.
What? Okay. Which subject you are with? जैसे stream कौन सा है? Which stream?
PCM Physics, Chemistry और Math. Side में Bio.
Okay. That means you are in the first year, the 11th class. Okay.
Yes.
Through Bihar board.
Yes.
Hindi or English? Which medium you are from?
Hindi medium.
Why you have chosen Hindi medium? While what was your primary language of your class 8 or below that? Which medium you have studied your primary or your school?
Some classes English medium and some Hindi medium.
Yes, so this is the reality of the private school of Bihar or most of the places, that they teach combinedly. From 1 to 5 class they teach English medium, and then they start teaching some specific subject in Hindi medium. So it make confusion within the students to understanding the concept. Anyway, so this is what about Khushi Kumari. So now let me introduce Shiv Shambhu. What is your name?
My name is Ankush Tiwari.
What are you doing?
Nothing. I am studying in class 9th.
Okay, what is your qualification?
My qualification is class 8.
Which school you have passed out from?
Ideal Public School.
Where it is?
It is located on Baisakhi More, nearby Hanuman Mandir.
Siwan, Bihar. Because
It's a Siwan.
this video will watch all over the world. So Baisakhi, who is no Baisakhi? So Siwan, Bihar, India. Okay. And Nisha, as the name suggests, Nisha, she will try to explain about herself and try to introduce herself. Who is she? So let's start asking the question. Okay, what is your name?
My name is Nisha Tiwari.
Okay, what is your qualification?
I am qualification of class 12.
Okay, that means you have qualified. Okay, which stream you are in 12th?
Arts stream.
Which was the subject?
History, English, Hindi or home science psychology.
Okay, which one of them was favorite for you?
My favorite subject was honors. All subject के.
All subject was your favorite subject?
हाँ.
All subject you were like?
Yes.
Okay, you tell about to our viewers what actually psychology, just in 2 or 3 word or sentences. What is psychology?
Psychology. हम भुला गेल बानी.
भुला गेल बानी. See, I have forgotten what is psychology, the definition of the psychology. Now, what are you doing? Like, which class you are studying in?
I read in class BA.
Class BA. She has taken admission in graduation through JP University, Jayaprakash University, and she is now admitted, and the admission has been completed. Let me tell you about the JP University. JP University is a very special university because it is a way university take more than time to complete the session. Like BA must be complete within the 3 years, but it take time to 6 and more years. So that's why JP University is I will never prefer anyone to take the admission in JP University. So this was about my students. So I will come with a new video and new conversation. So let me know how our English conversation was and what do you want to expect from us in future. So bye for now.